Welcome back to my kitchen. We're gonna bake today. We're gonna do a little bit of baking. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, let me spray my pan, my cookie sheet, okay, and set that aside. Today we are going to make Italian apple cookies. The only difference is I'm gonna add, the apple recipe is one thing, but I'm gonna add walnuts to my recipe, and that's it. So, very simple. All you need is 2 eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, and 3 cups, just shy of 3 cups of flour. And I'm using two apples. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna just put a little bit of cinnamon mixed with my apples and mix that around so my apples are coated once I put them in the batter. So you can also sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon right on top of the cookies. So that's number 1, done. Number 2, my oven is ready. It's gonna be at 355 for about, I think it's 25 minutes. I have to double check. Okay, let's bring my blender over here. Get my apples out of the way, plug my blender in. Okay, you can see what's going on, right? Perfect. Well, I need to move this out of the way. I don't need it. We're not doing any compost right now. There. Okay, so let's start off with 2 eggs. Half a cup of sugar, okay? I measured this out already. This is half a cup of butter. So let's use this. That's half a cup of butter. Perfect. I gotta go get the rest of the butter out of the freezer. So let's whip this up a little bit. I need to add my flour to that. So we're gonna put 3 cups flour, but we're gonna add 2 cups now. We're gonna add 2 cups of the flour now, okay? And mix that up. And then once that's nicely mixed, we're gonna add the apples and the rest of the flour. The rest of the flour and the apples, we might have to just incorporate them into this by hand. We don't have to overmix this. That looks good. So, get all that off of there. Okay, beautiful. Actually, I need there, that's better. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. So we got all the dough off of there. Perfect. I'll show you what that looks like. See? Beautiful. So now, we're gonna add the apples that I put the cinnamon. I'm gonna put that in there, okay? We're gonna add a handful of, maybe 2 handfuls, yeah, of the walnut. And now another, say about 3/4 of the flour. Now I will not be able to do this by hand. So I'm going to put this paddle and just mix it a very little bit, very low, just like that. Beautiful, works beautifully. So that is all nicely incorporated together, all mixed up nicely together. Beautiful. Okay, taste test. The batter tastes amazing with that touch of cinnamon in there. So let's get rid of this machine now. Get it out of my hair. Okay, get my tray. Now what we need is a spoon, and we're gonna make little cookies. Well, they're not really that little. You'll see, okay? Like that. Well, you can't see that one. Okay, so you got a little bit of everything in there. Let's go back a little bit so you can see what's going on. There. The apple and the cinnamon is gonna make my house smell amazing. So these take about 25 minutes to cook. Made a couple a little bit smaller. Okay, what do I have left here? I might have at least a couple of cookies. Let's see if I can squeeze a few more in here. 1 more. There. Move that over a bit. There. Okay, there you go. We got enough cookies. We got our cookies ready. And there you go. We got our cookies ready. We're going to put them in the oven now. 355. And probably about 25 minutes. I'll let you know the exact amount of time. Okay.